How to invest in PiggyVest Investify as a beginner. The first step is to download your app, register an account, complete your KYC, link your bank account. All of this has been discussed in my previous videos. Then after this, you click on Investify or invest icon on your app. Then you'll be faced with the preferred opportunities. Then you browse through them to select an investment opportunity that you might want to invest in. So after this, all you have to do is to select the one that fits your investment plan. So then you click, for example, I'll be clicking on the corporate debt notes. So after that, you click on invest. You click on invest. After clicking on invest, then you input the number of investment units you want to buy. When you do that, you confirm the details and then you click on either invest now or buy now to authorize your payment from the link debit card or your PiggyVest wallet. If you have money in your PiggyVest wallet, you can pay through that, or you can pay through your bank card. And that is a simple step of how to invest in the Investify program. Thank you.